Introduction to BMO Air Miles Card. The BMO Air Miles Card is a popular rewards credit card that offers users the opportunity to earn air miles on their everyday purchases. In this guide, we will explore the key features and benefits of the card and provide practical tips on how to maximize your rewards. Understanding Air Miles rewards. Air Miles is a loyalty program that allows users to earn miles on their purchases, which can be redeemed for travel rewards, flights, and other rewards. The BMO Air Miles card offers 1 air mile for every $20 spent on the card, and users can earn even more miles when they shop at partner stores. Earning air miles. To earn air miles with the BMO card, simply use the card for your daily purchases such as groceries, gas, and other expenses. The more you use the card, the more miles you will earn. Additionally, users can earn bonus miles when they shop at participating stores and take advantage of special promotions. Redeeming air miles. Once you have accumulated enough miles, you can redeem them for rewards such as flights, hotel stays, and other travel-related expenses. The redemption process is straightforward and can be done online or by phone. Users can also transfer their miles to other loyalty programs or use them to book travel through the Air Miles website. Maximizing your rewards. To get the most out of your BMO Air Miles card, use it for all your daily purchases and take advantage of bonus offers and promotions. Additionally, consider adding an authorized user to your account to earn even more miles. It is also important to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and maximize your rewards. Benefits and features. The BMO Air Miles card offers a range of benefits and features, including purchase protection, travel insurance, and concierge service. Users also have access to exclusive events and experiences through the Air Miles program. The card has a competitive interest rate and no annual fee for the first year. Conclusion. The BMO Air Miles card is a great option for anyone looking to earn rewards on their everyday purchases. By understanding how to earn and redeem air miles and taking advantage of bonus offers and promotions, users can maximize their rewards and enjoy a range of benefits and features. With its competitive interest rate and no annual fee for the first year, the BMO Air Miles card is a great choice for anyone looking to earn travel rewards.